Alexander, do you love the ravioli? Yeah? What are you doing, Cooper? What do you want? Hey, this needs to slide back in. You're so smart. How did you learn how to do that? Look at that face. Let's pop right in. You don't want any more ravioli? Here you go. Cooper wants some. Cooper wants some. One at a time, Alexander. Are you going to give your reject out to Cooper? Look at your toes. You like to cross your feet when you eat? Alexander. Alexander. What are you doing? Alexander, can you say banana? 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 Look, Cooper is eating your food. Banana? Look at that. No, that's for Cooper. You can give it to Cooper. Alexander. 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 Tickle, 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 tickling the toes, tickle, 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 tickle. Alexander, can you say banana? Banana. Banana.